Cybersecurity is no longer just a technical challenge, it's a strategic necessity. With cloud intrusions up 75% in the past year, Scott Aldridge's VisibleOps Cybersecurity offers a proven roadmap for building resilience. Cybersecurity isn't just about defense. It's about creating a security-first mindset, Aldridge explains. This approach integrates leadership, zero-trust frameworks, and advanced strategies like AI-driven tools and micro-segmentation to outsmart threats. By bridging technology, culture, and strategy, this guide empowers organizations to reduce risks and streamline security efforts. It also provides practical insights for turning compliance into a competitive advantage while fostering a culture of accountability. Learn how to transform your defenses by reading the full article on our website, and don't forget to save this episode to your Spotify playlist.